Hello! We are on the road. We are going to look at a car. Russ is in the back, Austin's on the camera, and we're going to look at a car. And I thought to myself, because we drive 200 kilometers to see it, which is about 160 miles. The traffic's at the end of the month, and it's the evening time. Traffic's a bit crap. I just thought I'd call the guy to tell him we're on our way. I don't want to get all that way and go, oh mate, sorry, somebody came and bought it this morning. But what he has said, he hasn't said that. What he has said is, between talking to him yesterday and talking to him today, somebody has asked him for offered him more money than he told me he wanted for it. So when he told me how much money he wanted for it, I went, yeah, I'll give you that for it, that's fair, I'm not going to knock you. I'll come down and see it tomorrow. I just called him and he goes, somebody's offered me another 25%. Well, it's cheap enough anyway. I don't know whether it's a trick or what, but whatever. We're still on our way to see it. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You can see that when we get there. So stay tuned and you'll see what the new project could be. And if you see me again crying, then we didn't get it. So, I don't know, hour and a bit, hour and a half, we'll reconvene at the location. Actually, finding the thing is going to be interesting, because when I asked the guy, can you share your location, and he went, no. We've spelled out his address and we're winging it a bit. I think we'll be okay though. See you shortly. Here we nearly are. The sun is going down along the coast down here, which is the infamous coast of Pattaya. And that's the sun, and it will go down over yonder horizon. If you were on the beach, you'd see it go down behind the sea. These are mountains of Rayon. I think we're about 20 minutes away from the potential project car that's increasing in price as we speak. Just thought I'd update you. We're doing 120 kilometers an hour on cruise control, because why not? Can't be bothered to go fast. Or faster. It's an empty road. Whatever. So, see you soon. So, we found the thingy. The thingy. Da da da. Dang dang dang. Dang dang dang. Dang dang. Oh my. Oh my. Oh.
Those tyres were really good when I put them on, which is not too long before it became what it is now.
Gas thing on there at the moment.
Who can run the block through or
yes.
new sleeves in or whatever.
Yeah, there's a machine shop near me.
I hope it's not tight.
There we go, with the old slush box on there.
Certainly car that haven't been serviced properly.
That's a cylinder head there with the
yep.
8 valves in it. They look like injectors over there. Injector rail. There's a There's a rad there. I don't know what's going to run out of here. We'll leave that to this. Yeah, 2 valves per cylinder.
Yeah,
8 valve
you
one.
know.
There was a later one that was a 16.
Yeah. I can't remember what horsepower this had. It's probably about 110 or something, was it? You know?
Seats are good, aren't they?
Eh?
The seats are nice.
It was in reasonable shape when I had it.
Yeah.
I'm not saying what shape it's in now, but they're not worn out. The biggest problem I had was the plastics in the bloody thing. The dash plastics aren't pretty. And any good panel beater will fix that.
Yeah.
Even the Thailand.
There are some good ones around. Just get them on the right day when they're not too hungover.
Yeah, well.
Can't see what that's done on there, but our sunroof handle's not broken off yet. That headline is obviously hanging down. What do you reckon, boys? Shall we have it?
Yeah.
There we go. Welcome to the new project.